Good morning. It is 3 in the morning. I'm trying to copy my list for groceries or shopping after work. Believe it or not, it's the first morning that he's not begging for food early. He's sleeping more hours. That's good for me. Okay, done. And also I finished my entry from yesterday. Oh, 3:20. Do you know what? Let's see what we got here. Let's see what we got. Today is Saturday, by the way. What is this? Oh, I think it's another of the trick-or-treaters. Okay. Maybe we will have on the 5th the last of the trick-or-treaters. We will see. Anyway, so I almost make a mess. I'm going to do some breakfast. I'll be back. I think I will have coffee. No conventional breakfast, but I have leftover pizza and coffee, and I will watch videos. You're being so sweet today. You make me hard to go to work that way. You're so cute. Okay, go eat your cookie. Okay? My first item were very easy to get. Now I need to get laundry softener, cloves and pickles, wraps, socks. Hardly ever come to this area, but I need socks, and I love the socks that they have here. I use every day. Okay, this is the one that I buy every time, and you have all these for $19. These ones are really soft. But they give you only 2 pairs for $12. Hi, baby boy. Why are you so cute? Little angel. Little angel. Look at that face. Oh, my angel face. I know. Okay. Let me get this out of here. Boy, I got something for the snacking that maybe you will not like, but I was kind of craving. Okay, I got baby wipes, soap. What I have here? Makeup nuts. Oh, I got the cloves and pickles. They only have the small size. Come on. I know, something new. Come on. Oh, so cute. Come on. Hey. what are you waiting there? Come on. Oh, look. Hey. Chase. Look at it. Oh my gosh, I ate everything. I was starving. I need to work out later. Look at you. No, that's not yours. I have to put there because you are trying. What are you doing? Come on. So nice. Look at that. Hey, let's go. Okay, it's almost 1 in the afternoon. Today's Sunday. Oops. And I'm making a mess. Okay, so I don't think I will be doing a lot today, but I wanted to open these before I get into watching movies. And so you know what I got for this day. Oh my gosh, it's not coming. I think it's one other of the... Okay, let me get this. Better. Oh, is this one of the trick or treat? I'm not sure. I don't think so. Okay, I'm not sure which one is this. But that's the new one. Let's see here. I don't think it's one of the trick or treaters. I will figure out.